Boy Meek. We here at Comanche Lao. First time trying it out. You know what I'm saying? We gonna see what we doing. We got the fried wing right here. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Got a shrimp dip. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Got the little rice. Hold on, little rice. I'm gonna show y'all the rice later. My boy, the cameraman, he got some shit too. Check his, you know what I'm saying? He ain't gonna be talking though, you know what I'm saying? So, I'm trying to check his shit out. I'll try out the noodles and shit for y'all too. Yeah, because, you know about the Bay Area, I know about the bar. You know what I'm saying? Alright, so what y'all wanna try out first? Alright, I'm gonna try out this rice first. Let's see what this rice is. Might be a little sugar in there. Let's see this shrimp dips. A shrimp cup. I'm gonna try the noodles too. Come on, cuz I don't wanna be digging all in your plate, guys. That's a cool moment. Yeah, the noodles is like, they garlicky, they sweet. They damn near got everything. I ain't gonna lie. The noodles damn near might be the drip. We got the I'm gonna go with fried wing right here. You know what I'm saying? What type of nigga? I ain't no drum type of nigga. Let's just see. Chicken dripping out. I done damn near a bit too much. That's cool though. That's him too. Review. I get this. Shit, I ain't gonna lie. It's tough. I'm giving this damn near like a 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10.